Hare Krishna. So today is most auspicious appearance day of His Holiness Jayapataka Swami Maharaj. It is sad that due to coronavirus, we cannot be physically present for his Vyas Puja day, and we have to record and send the message. Nevertheless, it is always blissful to glorify a pure devotee. His Holiness Jayapataka Swami Maharaj, a dedicated servant of Srila Prabhupada and his mission ISKCON. From very beginning of his life, he had dedicated everything of his life for preaching the Sanatana Dharma and reclaiming the fallen conditioned soul back home, back to Godhead. Maharaj had many wonderful qualities. My relationship or my connection with Maharaj goes back, way back in 70s. First time when I heard that he is the zonal Acharya or Guru for Bihar and GBC. So we were very excited to meet him. One day I heard that he is coming or he wants to come to our place in Bihar. So we had organized a wonderful program in our area. It was first time that any foreigner came to village. His secretary those days was His Holiness Bhanu Swami Maharaj, and we had a big program in a town known as Sasaram. And then later on, we had 3-4 other programs in different villages, and our head office in village was His Holiness Radha Govind Maharaj village. So I am going to talk one of his best quality that I appreciate is his swimming and saving life of devotees. So in Radha Govind Maharaj village, there is a river known as Durgavati Nadi. So once when we had program evening time and morning time, and that day afternoon we went to swim in the river. I am also a swimmer, I like to swim. I cannot say that I am a good swimmer, but I am a swimmer. I can swim in river. So Maharaj was there and surrounded by 20-25 devotees. First time I saw that he was swimming with a watch. I never saw anybody swimming or going in water with a watch. So my first experience I saw. And then I was very curious and I asked him about that watch. He said, well, this is water resistance watch. I did not understand that time what is the meaning of water resistance. So then he explained very nicely that water cannot go inside. And there was one first incident with him of the swimming. And then in 79, I was in Mayapur. I got Brahmin initiated by His Holiness Jayapataka Swami Maharaj. He was very caring and very loving to me. Once, some devotee tried to give hard time to me in Mayapur. He called that devotee and he chastised him. And he said, you know, he has made several devotees in villages. And Maharaj so kindly, he kept me with him as his servant to serve him. During those days of my service, there are many incidents which I can relate, but today I want to focus only on his swimming part. So in Mayapur, next to Prabhupada Samadhi, there is a Pukar. And we used to go swimming in that Pukar, sometime in Ganga also. So Maharaj used to lay on the bank of that pond and he used to ask us to pull him down in water. I remember many devotees were there. I think Bhakti Purushottam Maharaj, Sudarshan, Antardeep, myself, and many others. And almost 8 to 9 devotees used to try to pull him in the water, but he to hold. He had, although of course he had very strong body and healthy body, and we couldn't do it. But when he was coming down, he had to jump in the water. That was a great pleasure, seeing him swimming with all the devotees without any differences. Now, of course, we talk it nowadays as a team building. So I felt that was a team building, and I learned from that a lot of the team building, and I applied that thing in my zone in different places. The team building, whether it may be by temple cleaning or going out swimming together, without any difference. I remember earlier, every year during Mayapur festival, devotees used to go to swim in Ganga. I remember one particular year that devotee went to Ganga for swimming, and some of the devotees, they did not know swimming or there was current. And once, one devotee, we heard that he dived in Ganga and he was not knowing how to swim, he couldn't come out. So Jayapataka Maharaj heard, he ran and he jumped in Ganga and tried to locate that devotee. But by that time, Mother Ganga had swept him away. One other time, we all were there, he was also there, and one devotee was drowning, and Maharaj again jumped in Ganga. He was Italian devotee. Maharaj jumped in Ganga and he brought him out. So, he saved the life of many devotees from drowning in Ganga, and today, even he do not have such a strong health like earlier that he can save devotee from drowning, but he is very strong and he wants to preach Krishna consciousness. Every day he is very busy to rescue devotee from drowning in Maya through preaching Krishna consciousness. So on this auspicious day, I would like to pray to their Lordship Sri Radharas Vihari Ji to give Maharaj a long, healthy life full of with Krishna consciousness to save all of us from drowning in Maya. Thank you very much. Hare Krishna.
Do you like our ad-free videos? Be sure to subscribe to our channel. We publish new videos every day, and don't forget to like and share our channel.